back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today's wig is from Afsister wig, and this is the loose wave in the length 20 inches. It's literally just up to my waist, and that's where it's up to on me. So I got this wig in the length 20 inches, cap size small, 180 density, because guys, this wig is definitely very full, and I really like this wig. I love the highlights as well. Like, you guys seeing this? You seen this? I love it, and I feel like this goes perfectly with my makeup. Everything is just coming together. Do you understand? Like, it's just coming together. But so this is the 6x6 closure wig. So it literally starts from here and goes all the way to here, which means obviously you have more parting space, so you can decide to do whatever hairstyle you want. If you'd like to do a half up, half down, side parting, middle parting, whatever you want to do, you can literally do with this wig. And they also have this wig in a 5x5 closure as well, so if you don't want to get the 6x6, you can get the 5x5. And also to mention, guys, this wig is not glued down. It's not glued down. I literally just popped the wig on, did a little baby hair here and there, and here we are. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for anything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've just finished my makeup, so now I'm about to install the wig from Afsister wig. So this is what the wig looks like, and I'm actually excited to install this wig because I think the highlights, the way they've done the highlights and everything, is just so nice. So this is the 6x6 lace closure wig. They have it in a 5x5 as well, so if you don't want to go for the 6x6, then you can go for the 5x5. I prefer the 6x6 because obviously, as you guys can see, it has more parting space. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put my foundation all over the lace. Another thing as well is that I didn't even bother to bleach the knots because of how tiny they are, which means you can barely even see them. They're so small that you can barely see them. So I'm just going to put my foundation all over the lace just to help this to blend into my skin a bit more. But just before I place the wig on, I want you guys to see what the construction of the wig looks like. As you can see, it comes with an adjustable elastic band inside, and it comes with adjustable straps at the back and with combs as well, which is really good because it just shows that you can obviously make the wig very secure without you having to glue it down. So let's see if that's possible today. Whew, guys, this is gonna be amazing. I can't wait. I feel like this wig definitely goes with my makeup as well. So this is what the lace looks like after I applied my foundation and stuff. You can see it looks really good, and even though I didn't bleach the knots, it still looks amazing. This is just me showing you that you can install the wig straight from the box. You don't have to bleach the knots basically, but you can. Obviously, if you bleach the knots, that'll help it to look a lot more natural, but you don't have to, is basically what I'm saying.
You want dinner, champagne dripping on his wristwatch, partition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup, but he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Paint dripping on his wristwatch, partition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup, but he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Oh, yeah. Said he want to run with me, yeah.
So this is what the lace looks like without me gluing it down. It feels super secure. Like, this wig is laid and it's not glued down. So I was about to say this wig is laid and it's not laid, but just ignore that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna see if I can try and install this, try and style this out for you guys now.
Oh yeah, you picked up on me, yes, cause I know you got the recipe, yeah. Nobody gonna do the thing that you do. Come and take this ride, be my chauffeur, be my chauffeur. You know today we won't talk too much, actions speak louder than words.
So I'm gonna take my Got To Be spray, and that's what I'm gonna use to lay down my baby hairs. I don't really want to glue the wig down because I don't feel like I need to glue it down. So I'm just gonna spray some on my hand and use a spoolie to do this. Okay guys, so I'm done adding some small baby hairs at the front, and you guys know I'm not really the best when it comes to doing baby hairs. So this is what we're working with, and we're just going to leave it like this, okay? So this is one way to rock the hair. You can obviously wear it as a middle parting, but I'm going to try and do like other hairstyles with this. So you guys can, this is so cute. I really like this wig. It's so cute. And I feel like this hair definitely goes with my makeup, because I've done like a bronzed makeup look, and then obviously I have this highlighted wig as well. So I just love this.
Can I roll with you, girl? Said he want to ride with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with
You can see where the parting goes all the way to, literally all the way to the back.
Baby, can you go with me? Can you roll with me, yeah? Yeah, yeah. The way you love me, say yeah, yeah. The way you're touching me, say yeah, yeah. Make your body say yeah, yeah. So the drivers want to watch it, 'cause the drivers want to watch, yeah. Oh, one time, one time, one time, one time, yeah.
Guys, I love this wig. So I'm gonna go wet my hair quickly, and then I'll be back again to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the side parting looks like, guys, and I think I prefer the side parting. You guys let me know, do you prefer the middle or do you prefer the side? I think I prefer the side. I think this looks really, really nice, and you guys can still see the highlights as well. So the last thing I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna add some hair serum to my hair. And this is one thing I've just started doing recently. I always add hair serum to my hair, even if it's wavy or curly. And obviously before I just kind of felt like, yeah, just put some hair conditioner and that should be good, but you actually need to add some hair serum to your hair, even though it's wavy or curly hair, because wavy or curly hair is likely to get dry pretty quickly. So you kind of just want to add some hair serum just to keep the shine and just kind of keep the moisture as well, if that makes sense. So I'm just applying some hair serum throughout the hair. Guys, this wig is beautiful, okay? Obviously if you wanted, you can even do a half up half down hairstyle, and this wig is not glued on. Can we just appreciate the fact that it's not glued on as well? So I'm really impressed with this wig. I really like this wig. So okay, so like I said, guys, this wig is from Afsister wig. I keep looking at my phone because obviously everything is hair. So and this is the highlight blonde loose wave wig, 180 density, because guys, this is definitely 180 because guys, it's the wig is so full, honestly, that it's really, really full, and it's even wet right now and it's this full. So imagine what it's going to look like when it dries up, obviously. So I got this in a cap size small, and this is 20 inches. Wait, hold on, this hair is pretty long for 20. Let me just get up so you guys can see where it's up to. It's literally past my, this is where it's up to. This feels like it's a lot longer than 20 inches, I'm not gonna lie, but regardless, I love this wig. So yeah, I hope you guys like how this wig looks on me. If you do, let me know what you think down below. Do you prefer it as a middle parting on me or as a side parting? I think I like the side parting a lot better, but you guys let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? So I am going to make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box for anything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!